Short answer, you will get ratioed. Long answer, roll the clip. Everyone and their mom is saying, YouTube Shorts, that is the key to growth.
False.
One of my YouTube Shorts blew up. It gained 1 million views, and just from that short alone, I grew my channel from 30 subscribers to over 2,000 in about the course of a month. So that's pretty insane, but I don't actually think YouTube Shorts was good for the growth of my channel, and here's why. YouTube Shorts does not guarantee your channel growth success. In fact, I argue that it will just ratio your main channel videos. So here's an interesting instance that happened at VidCon this year. They invited some TikTok creators to do some panels, and it turns out there was this creator that had millions of followers, and literally like 5 people showed up to their panel or something insane like that. I think there was an article about it. And I think similarly with YouTube Shorts is you can grow a big audience, you can have like a lot of viewers, but none of them are loyal viewers. It's not sticky. Being a Shorts creator, a Reels creator, a TikTok creator, it's not sticky. Your audience isn't going to want to follow you and stick with you. Alright, after reviewing this footage, I was like, that's not necessarily true. You can definitely amass like somewhat of a loyal following that will actually like buy your products if you're a small business with Shorts content. I just mean in the long term, like years from now. I'm not so sure about that and a little hesitant, and I think it's more valuable just to make long-term content is what I'm trying to say. There was this instance where there was these 2 huge Shorts channels, and they had millions of views on all their Shorts. They even amassed like hundreds of thousands of followers. But on their main channel videos, they totally got ratioed and like barely got any views, like maybe 100 views on there. That is the dark side. That is the con of doing YouTube Shorts. Because yes, although you will get a lot of clicks, views, even subscribers, the value of those clicks, views, likes, and subscribers is just lower. Is YouTube Shorts worth it? I still don't know, because it is cool to say that I have 2,000 subscribers, but it also feels so undeserved. I thought it would take me like more consistency, more work to gain that many subscribers, and it just feels cheapened a little bit just to have that happen in just a course of a month. Also, I debate how wise it is for me to make a follow-up video based on something. I guess this topic would be around the creator economy, like Colin Samir type shit. Even though my video that led to my viral success was about anime and trivia and those topics. The thing is, I am a new creator, so, you know, I'm just testing things out. I think the most important thing about being a YouTube creator is just to talk about stuff that you're actually passionate about. And I am super obsessed with YouTube, so I was like, let me just make this video, you know? There was a point in my life I was obsessed with anime. I'm still around anime and conventions, and we're planning on also doing more anime trivia content. If you are one of those subscribers watching this video, it's just gonna be on a separate channel. It's called Kenny Boss. How I describe it is a pink guy universe thing combined with loaf antics and pranks, and yes, we're just building a universe there on Kenny Boss. So subscribe to that if you're interested in more anime trivia content. If you like this video, my name is Neha, was here, and